Hello, my name is Angie Samir. I'm interior designer based and operating in Egypt. Today, I will walk you through how to create a laundry room using Foyr Neo. So this is the 2D of my laundry room. I will now go to the 3D mode. So the first thing I want to do is to add texture. In this room, I want to add wallpaper that is not in the catalog of Foyr. So I will upload it by going through to texture and click upload texture. I click on upload now and I search my computer for the texture I need to add. Now I can access my uploaded wallpaper in texture and go to upload it. That's the one. I click on it and I click on the wall. Now I will add texture to the other two walls. I would then start adding the furniture. So I go to catalog, find the washing machine and the dryer that I need to add. Here they are. Click on each of them and drop it in my room. I now want to add the wall cabinet, so I will use a guideline to set the height. I make my guideline. Then I search the catalog for the cabinet I want. I will resize and clone. To change the colors of my cabinets, I would go to shortlist because I have my colors already selected in my shortlist. Click on the color, click on the cabinet. I will now add some base cabinets. This is the one I want. I will rotate it and make sure that it is aligned correctly with the wall. I will then clone this base unit to add more units. And on the other side. Now I need to add the countertops. So I will search a catalog for wall dock. So a wall dock is a block component that we can use in different ways. I select the cube one. I place it on my wall. The first thing is I will resize that. So make the height 20. Then resize to cover all my cabinets. I will then clone this for the other two sides. Now I would add some texture to my cabinets and my countertop. So first, I will copy the texture and material of the wall cabinets. Notice that once I change the color of one of the cabinets, it changes for all because they are already cloned. Now I will change the texture of my countertop. So I go to texture, search for the texture I want. Here it is. Click on it and click on one of the countertops. Now I need to add some items to accessorize. I have already added my items to the shortlist, so I click on that in the left menu. Now I want to add artwork, so I just need to set some guideline for the height, adding them. And I clone. Now that my room is ready, I will go and click on the render button. So now after I have clicked on the render button, I came here to the rendering page. I can set the view as I want. Then I go to lighting to make my settings. I need to change the external view. So I select this one and I click on take render button. I select 4K and click render. And finally, I can access my rendered images from the gallery at the bottom left. Thank you for watching and don't forget to try our 14 days free trial. Click the link in the description below. See you in the next video.